Children start learning long before they start school. The first years of life lay the foundation for a child's future learning success. Now, a unique partnership is reaching thousands of parents and children in Austin to let them know about the importance of early literacy. Eager to Learn is an initiative to let parents know they are their child's first teacher, and that by talking, playing, and reading to their children from a very early age, they can make a difference in their child's future success in school.
We've all known for a while now, with all the research that's coming out, 0 to 5-year-olds, between that age range is the most important time. We've got to influence them at that time with early literacy experiences. We've got to make it fun, so when they get to school, they're ready to learn.
Eager to Learn is doing just that by creating several new early literacy programs and increasing awareness for existing programs.
The Eager to Learn grant serves 4 specific zip codes that had really not had as much exposure to the existing services. And the idea of the Eager to Learn grant is to bring early literacy efforts to that part of town and to increase families' awareness of the wide variety of excellent services that are available to support their work with their children.
The grant from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services to fund Eager to Learn is the result of a collaboration of the Early Start Coalition, a group of nearly 30 organizations and individuals working to improve early literacy. The 17-month federal grant is overseen by the Austin Child Care Council and is managed by the Austin Project. But much of the work done through the grant is done with the help of this collaboration.
We want all children to get a start early on so that they're as prepared as they can be for school, so that they have a good chance at success in their careers in school.
Talk to me. Play with me.
The Eager to Learn message is designed to motivate parents and caregivers to engage in activities with children that enhance early learning. The message is simply stated in the voice of a child and was presented in numerous materials around the community. It's displayed in the interior of Capital Metro buses around town and airs in both English and Spanish public service announcements.
Las canciones y los juegos sencillos como las escondiditas les enseñan que aprender es divertido.
The message was tested with parents of various socioeconomic and ethnic backgrounds, as well as child care providers and service agencies. Adults are learning how simple it is to stimulate learning with their kids.
But you can be driving along the road too and point out different stores or restaurants or gas stations and tell her what the words mean, so that she can actually start seeing the letters and the combination of letters that make a word.
Eager to Learn actively sought the input and ideas of schools and parent specialists in the 4 zip code opportunity area to determine what would work best to reach families with pre-K and kinder children. That resulted in services at locations and times that are more convenient for families. And the turnout has been tremendous at family fun nights like this one, put on by Reading is Fundamental and AmeriCorps. Families with preschool children in the opportunity area have dinner and then participate in early literacy games and activities. The 15 elementary schools in the opportunity area are also working with Eager to Learn to provide parenting classes and new home reading programs. Another Eager to Learn activity is family field trips to the Austin Children's Museum.
We want to show parents, these are things that you can do at home with your kids to have fun, to, emphasize early literacy with their young children.
Eager to Learn also sponsored a summer enrichment program at J.J. Pickle Elementary, where 70 kindergarten and pre-K kids took part in workshops and classes with their parents and caregivers.
Down at the station early in the morning.
Austin Public Library is providing expanded story times for children and their parents. These new English and bilingual story times offered on Saturdays in the evenings focus on entertaining the children but showing parents how they can instill an early love of reading in their children. Through Family Connections, dozens of families are participating in parenting classes and workshops. Another important element to Eager to Learn is a training program for child care providers so they can make early literacy fun and exciting in their classrooms.
Our training, we learn so much about things that we can really make a difference, and they're, small changes. Reassessing what type of books we have for the children, age appropriate, as well as, like I said, introducing visual literacy to the younger children.
In addition to reaching thousands of families, Eager to Learn has changed how agencies, schools, and families are working together.
That's where a lot of the excitement and vision comes from a group like ours, the Early Start Coalition, in trying to increase awareness of services and get children a great start early on in their lives.
Because long term, we want to make sure there's a message out there, again, about the importance of early literacy, about the importance of the early years. We want to show parents and caregivers the opportunities that are out there for them to be engaged in the community, and we want to increase those opportunities for them.
Now the Early Start Coalition, the Austin Child Care Council, and the United Way are actively planning to continue the work started in Eager to Learn, to continue to improve our early literacy system of care.